Y'all have seen him on TV. He's gonna be in movies. This boy is hilariously funny. He's been wrecking stages everywhere he goes. Please put your hands together. Start clapping right now for the comedy stylings of funny man, big man, my friend, D.L.
Stand up for the new hotness in comedy. For the one and only D.L. Henry.
Oh yeah, don't sit down. Come on. Fat friendly. Shoes aren't fat friendly. You ever seen a fat man's shoes? They're always squished on one side. Seems like somebody would invent a pump that you just put on the top of your shoe, so we don't have to bend over, we can just pump it. And y'all put us in these little bitty bathrooms with the toilet real low, and we had to sit down like this and all our blood pressure, your legs be numb, you be shaking. Raise up your toilet. Did y'all see Oprah when the white woman was up there and she got beat up by a monkey? They asked the woman, they said, excuse me, Miss White Woman, have your monkey ever been violent? She said, no, my monkey never been violent. The only thing my monkey ever done was pull out a patch of my hair. But I know one thing, you ain't finna pull out no sister hair. I wish a monkey would touch a string of my hair. He touched my hair, I'd be wearing them like raccoon.